The second area of difference regarding the Eastern and the Western teachings has to do with the teaching about Christ. Many Eastern philosophies are silent on the Christ, but some are not. They approve Jesus only as a great teacher who attained Christ consciousness or enlightenment, similar to that attained by Krishna or Buddha. That is how some Eastern teachers portray Jesus. They teach that devotion to Jesus to the exclusion of other great teachers unnecessarily limits the individual who seeks spiritual knowledge from the truth. Their point is that if truth is universal, then teachers throughout history are equally worthy of study. They say that in fact, the more widely one studies from different sources, the more likely one is to arrive at a fuller understanding of the truth. Their teaching indicates a lack of understanding regarding the spiritual evolution of our planet. The missing factor in the Eastern philosophies is about the Christ. Christ is not merely a lofty state of consciousness or an abstract concept, as they say. Unfortunately, and this is serious, many popular Christianity followers, including pastors and ministers who graduated from theological studies, limit themselves to this Eastern explanation of the Christ. That is incorrect. The matter goes beyond that. Of course, it should be understood that popular Christianity does not have the deeper teachings about who the Christ is. Only spiritual or esoteric Christianity of the Western wisdom teachings can reveal the deeper knowledge about Christ. Christ is a divine, self-conscious being, the highest initiate of the archangelic life wave. That is the Christ. When we talk about life waves, let's remind ourselves there are many life waves. We have the F80 or mineral life wave. We have the plant life wave. We have the animal life wave. And we have the human life wave. 4. That is where we are limited for now in terms of human beings. But before human beings, there were others. We have the angelic life wave, and we also have the archangelic life wave. It goes on and on and on. Each life wave is distinct, comprising beings or matter that has come into manifestation in a certain period of time ahead of others. So the human life wave is ahead of the animal life wave. The animal life wave is also ahead of the plant life wave, and the plant life wave is also ahead of the F80 or mineral life wave. So we are saying that the Christ is the highest initiate of the archangelic life wave. He is a being, not just a lofty ideal that people will need to look for. He is a being. Christ is the love wisdom aspect of the Godhead, the Word, which was made flesh and dwelt among us. Indeed, he came and dwelt among us. If you read John chapter 1, verse 14. He gives life to creation. Creation, the things that we have now, the life that we have, is given by Christ to vitalize and to preserve life. So it's not just a lofty ideal. It goes beyond that, not just a lofty ideal. He is also the second aspect of the spirit in every human being. So every human being, you have an aspect of the Christ in you. That is the life spirit, whose material counterpart is the vital body.